The 2025 Ford Focus RS marks the highly anticipated return of Ford's performance-focused hatchback. Known for blending exhilarating performance with everyday practicality, the Focus RS continues to be a top choice for enthusiasts who crave speed, precision handling, and advanced technology. The exterior of the 2025 Focus RS retains the aggressive and sporty aesthetic that has been the hallmark of this model. At the front, it features a wide, bold grille with a honeycomb pattern, flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights with a more streamlined design. These headlights not only offer improved visibility but also give the car a futuristic and fierce look. At the rear, the 2025 Focus RS comes equipped with a sporty spoiler and a prominent diffuser, both of which help with downforce and stability. Twin exhaust tips and redesigned LED taillights add to the aggressive rear profile. The RS badge is proudly displayed, signifying its high-performance status. Available in a variety of bold colors, including the signature nitrous blue, the Focus RS makes a bold statement on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Focus RS is powered by a turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline-4 engine. This powerplant has been updated from previous models, now producing an impressive 400 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that delivers lightning-fast gear shifts, allowing the driver to make the most of the RS power. A 6-speed manual transmission is also available for purists who prefer a more hands-on driving experience. One of the key highlights of the 2025 Focus RS is its advanced all-wheel drive (AWD) system with dynamic torque vectoring, which ensures optimum power distribution between the front and rear wheels. Inside, the 2025 Focus RS combines sportiness with modern comfort and technology. The cabin is driver-focused, with Recaro sport seats that offer excellent support during spirited driving. The steering wheel is a flat-bottom, leather-wrapped unit with integrated controls, allowing the driver to easily manage driving modes, infotainment, and other settings. Behind the steering wheel, a digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, including lap times, G-force measurements, and turbo boost pressure. The 2025 Ford Focus RS is a dynamic and thrilling hatchback that continues to push the boundaries of performance in the compact segment. With its powerful turbocharged engine, advanced AWD system, and precision-tuned chassis, it delivers an exhilarating driving experience that few rivals can match.